Ata na. Kani kay gabinata na sila. Di kay balo. Ha? Sa gagmay para sa rin wala man sila kadulong ana god. Di man kaya may kagawa sa una god. Ah. Ikaw? Oh. Oh. Na gabinata diko. Gabinata. Careful. Bismillah. Come down. Hi, already said come down, come down.
So I jump down?
No. Yolo. What are you doing?
I'm doing it.
Ha? Oh. Lo. Oh.
See, exercise. When I go to school, I can bully and fight people.
Why you fight somebody? No good. Haram.
Bullying is natural.
No. It's haram. I'm not teaching you like that. No good.
The school is teaching me like that.
No. Let them. Don't be.